Hey guys, it's Casey. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. Today we're going to do something a little different. We're going to do a January and February flip through of my current dashboard layout catch-all, and then we're going to switch out the discs and the covers and get it ready for spring. So let's just go ahead and start. This is I think it's kind of like a mom life planner. So it's the dashboard layout. I just have some little half sheets that I printed here at the front. I like to keep those there for lists and things. And then let's go right to January. So we have my January monthly. These I used my snowy day stickers. I also did the currently page, and I have some videos like in my monthly for January and February showing how I set up my currently pages and kind of franken-planned. Then we go into the first week of January. These I used, I don't remember the name of these. Let me see. Let me look for them. I don't remember the name of these stickers, and they're new. Is this Euphoria? I'm looking. Let me grab the big box of stickers here. And let's see what this one's called. Oh wait, this one's Frosty Morning. Okay, so I used Frosty Morning. And then this one is called Enchanted, I believe. Let's see. Enchanting, yes, Enchanting. So Enchanting, very pretty pinks and greens and grays. That's for the second week in January. On this long strip, I put Psalm 91:2. And then I did do the half sheet here and kind of decorate and stick in there. Just put some notes on the back of that half sheet. This I used, these stickers are called Coffee First. I didn't really write a whole lot in this spread. I was probably busy with some orders. You'll notice, I think this, yeah. So you'll notice that whenever I have a lot of orders to get out, I don't usually decorate my planner spreads. I just write in them, and I guess it would make sense because January 13th was National Sticker Day, and so I had a big sale. So this week I was working on orders, and then this week, the week of the 27th or 22nd, I was busy trying to get orders out, so, and dealing with a Cricut issue. So no decorations here, just used it just as a plain old planner. And then we get into the current month, which is February. I used Cupid's Arrow. These are my Valentine stickers and some faith quotes. And then I didn't do anything for my currently page, except I'm guilty. I just took my Christmas decorations down. So I only did like my priorities. I really need to fill this in, and hopefully I'll get to it before the end of the month. But I used, what are this? Oh yeah, I used Cupid's Arrow on the monthly and the currently. And y'all forgive me, we have got like tons of pollen in the air right now, and I woke up this morning and like my chest is tight. I feel like I can barely breathe, so I sound out of breath and I'm stuffy. I did take a Zyrtec a couple hours ago trying to see if it would clear me up so that I could at least talk and film at the same time, but it's helped some. But anyways, so just forgive me for that. These florals I think are called Delicate Petals. No, those aren't Delicate Petals. Which ones are these? I have so many that I can't remember all of my new designs. Y'all are probably screaming at me what these are. What are these? Maybe these. I don't know. I cannot remember. All right, maybe I'll think of it here shortly. I just cannot for the life of me think of what these are called. Anyways, so these are some newer florals too that are available in my shop. Let me see if I have them over here. No, I don't remember what they're called. Anyways, I put my word of the year here. I do the custom word of the year stickers. And then just some black and white washi. Let's see, these, oh wait, I know what these are called. These are called, let me find them. Radiant Petals. So these are Radiant Petals, really pretty. I still cannot get the name of those stickers. Anyways, moving on. Not a whole lot really written in here because I was really busy with orders. So on the 2nd, I did my release on the 2nd, and then of course last week I was really busy trying to get orders out, so not a whole lot of stuff written in this spread other than things that I needed to buy and bills I needed to pay. And then this is the current week. No decorations because I've been busy filling orders, and then today I'm filming, so I didn't get a chance to film anything. This is just like a master to-do list of things that I want to get done, kind of like spring cleaning. I wanted to write them down somewhere so that I can go back whenever I have free time. I can get those done. So this is the current week. Not a whole lot of, no decorations, and not a whole lot written in here. So I will have a plan with me coming up next for next week, which is the 19th through the 25th. And so I do have 6 new floral designs. I'm still doing the Frugal February 50% off all stickers in my shop. So new designs with 50% off still available, and we'll start this plan with me next and use some of those new stickers. If you'll wait to the end of this video, I'll give you like a sneak peek of the new sticker designs that are available now. Okay, so what I'm going to do really quick is I'm going to take this planner apart. I'm going to take it off of the discs, and we're going to change out discs and put a new cover on here that is one of my favorite covers that I've ever done, and it's going to be spring ready. So I'm going to actually, you won't know that I'm gone, but I'm going to do this off camera because it gets pretty noisy with these metal discs on my desk. So I'll be right back and I'll have everything taken apart. Okay, so I took everything off the discs. Now I have a little bit of a dilemma. I'm not sure if I want to use these pink color disc or if I want to use gold. I'm probably going to use gold, but this is the pink version of this planner cover. It's so pretty and so spring-like. It says, "There is joy in simplicity. Enjoy the present, carpe diem, and seize the day." And then the inside, look at this, is so pretty. And this pink is not really showing up very well on camera, but it's just the prettiest blush pink ever. So I can't decide. I mean, these pink discs would be pretty, like really pretty. I don't know, y'all. I don't know if I want to use pink or gold. Let me know in the comments, which do you like better, the pink or the gold? I think I like the gold better. So we're going to go with gold. So let's put the discs on here, and then we're going to load everything back up. Now I did have the leopard ollie clips on my other cover, but this one matches really well. This is like a taupe. This is, I think this is the cloth and paper one from years ago. Yeah. So I just turned it inside out so that you can't see any logos. So I like to keep a clip on my planners just to kind of clip papers and things in there. Especially since I'm not going to actually have one of the deluxe snap-in covers from the Happy Planner on this one. I want to be able to see this cover. Alright, so we got it together. Move those out of the way. So now let's just go ahead and fill it back up and see what it looks like. It's so pretty. I love pink. This blush pink is my favorite color in the whole world. I just love it. It's so calming and peaceful and just, I don't know, it's like dainty and feminine and pretty. So I like it. All right, I'm probably going to speed through this here in just a second. Okay, so we got it all together. I'm gonna stick my little clip on the front. That way I can put little notes or like appointment cards, things like that in there, just to keep at the front of my planner. So now it's all back together and I love it. Look how pretty it is. Oh, it's so feminine and so pretty. I love it so, so much. All right, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know a lot of you have requested that I show like after the pins. So I thought this video would be a great time to do that, just to kind of show you how I use my planner. Sometimes I scratch things out, sometimes I check it off, sometimes I don't. So anyways, stay tuned here in just a second and I'll go ahead and show you these. But if you're done with this video and you enjoyed it, make sure you give it a thumbs up for me. If you're not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Follow me over on Instagram and TikTok, and I will see you on the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Love you guys. Bye. Okay, let's see the sneaky peeky. All right, so we have all of my mini sticker sheets here. We have all of my smalls. So all of my decorative florals come in 3 different sizes. They come in large, small, and mini sheets. A lot of you ask what size sticker sheet to use for what size planner. And honestly, none of my stickers are sized for any, sorry, I'm shaking my camera, for any particular planner, okay? I don't like for my boxes to fit inside of the boxes of a planner or anything like that per se. I like for everything to kind of be staggered and offset, so I don't have specific sizes that I recommend. For my classic planner, my classic dashboard layout, and like all 3 of my classics that I use, I do the big sheets. So this is a sticker kit. It's just 1 sheet, but it's got headers and different size boxes. I did have to change this up, and I mentioned that in a couple videos, past videos, about Cricut and their little updates that kind of mess everything up. But anyways, so I always use the large and the small, and then I come in with a little bit, sometimes the mini sheets, just, you know, if I need other little pieces. But as far as like, if you use a classic size happy planner, you will be just fine if you even just use the small sticker sheets. So right now, in Frugal February, these sheets are only $2 a piece. So even if you just wanted to get the small sheet with a sticker kit, a lot of people do that. I think you'll be fine to decorate a classic size spread, even a mini spread with the small or the mini sheets. So it just depends on how big you like your decorative stickers, honestly. Okay, so there's that. Let's go and show you the designs. So we have Easter bunnies. These are adorable, little gray and pink and green colors with Easter bunnies and Easter eggs and the matching kit. I'm excited to use this one. I'm probably going to use this for my March monthly. Then we have Easter Gnomes 2, because I do have Easter Gnomes 1. If you're new here, let me show you if I have some already printed. A, B, C, D. I've got all of my stickers in alphabetical order. Here we go. So we have Easter Gnomes 1. And then Easter Gnomes 2, which are a lot brighter. These are more like pastel colors. These are bright, fun, happy colors. And then we have the matching kit with the matching boxes. We have Seventh Heaven. Really pretty grays and pinks and greens. These are like my favorite spring colors. We have the matching kit. Utopia. And I think the kit, yep, is back here. I had a time trying to make this kit with Cricut. So these are really pretty blues, yellows, and greens, perfect for spring, or kind of transitioning from winter to spring. Very pretty colors with your matching kit. We have Spring Garden. I have a lot of spring stickers available in my shop. These are the 2 Spring Garden ones. And then these are perfect for Easter or sometime in March if you're doing like weekly spreads that are kind of Easter themed. Easter, you know, tulips are kind of Eastery. So this is Tulip Party. So those are the 6 new designs that are available in my shop now, in 3 different sizes. The new planner cover, there's also a blue version of this that just looks slightly different, but it says the same thing on the front. And it's kind of like a really pretty light kind of country blue. All available in my shop now. So yeah, 50% off all stickers in my shop for Frugal February. So that is it. I hope you enjoyed the sneak peek, and I'll see y'all on the next one. Bye, guys.